On June 10, 2025, Lithuania unveiled plans to begin local assembly of the cutting-edge Leopard 2A8 main battle tanks, collaborating closely with the German defense firm KNDS. This strategic initiative is designed to enhance Lithuania's armored warfare capabilities while reinforcing its role in regional security. Confirmed by Defense Minister Dovile Sakaliin, the project will soon see technical teams from the manufacturer arrive in Lithuania to finalize the production arrangements on home soil. A key element of the plan is to involve domestic companies extensively, keeping a substantial portion of the contract's value circulating within Lithuania's economy. This move signals Lithuania's ambition to deepen its defense autonomy and carve out a significant position in Europe's armored vehicle industry. Against the backdrop of increased tensions involving neighboring Belarus and Russia, especially over the critical Suwałki Gap that connects the Baltics to NATO via Poland, the local tank assembly is both a strategic and economic response to regional security challenges. Establishing a tank production hub in Lithuania also promises to make the Baltic region a center for armored vehicle upkeep and development. The Leopard 2A8, the latest iteration produced by KNDS, formed from the legacy companies Krauss-Maffei Wegmann and Rheinmetall, boasts advanced features such as enhanced composite armor, a 120mm smoothbore cannon, and sophisticated fire control and mobility systems. This tank delivers an optimal balance of protection, firepower, and maneuverability, tailored to meet the demands of modern warfare. Lithuania's acquisition and in-country assembly of this model underscore its critical position on NATO's eastern frontier, where maintaining robust defensive forces is paramount for deterring aggression. Beyond bolstering its own forces, Lithuania is exploring the potential for its new assembly facilities to serve allied countries as well. Through the Lithuania Defense Services joint venture, which already provides NATO vehicle support, the planned infrastructure could assist other partners, including Ukraine and neighboring Baltic and Nordic nations. If approved by German authorities, this local production capacity would contribute to strengthening the alliance's collective defense by improving supply chain efficiency and operational resilience. When compared to other Western main battle tanks like the American M1A2 Abrams or the British Challenger 2, the Leopard 2A8 stands out due to its modular armor design, digital battlefield integration, and seamless compatibility with European logistical networks. The prospect of domestic assembly offers Lithuania significant advantages by reducing delivery times and enhancing control over maintenance and upgrades. The urgency to accelerate Leopard 2A8 deployment aligns with persistent intelligence highlighting vulnerabilities along the Suwałki Gap corridor. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine has further underscored the importance of solidifying defenses on NATO's eastern flank. Lithuania's initiative thus not only strengthens its military capacity but also serves as a deterrent message to potential adversaries, reaffirming the country's unwavering commitment to NATO's collective security framework. Signed in late 2024, the contract with KNDS includes the purchase of 44 Leopard 2A8 tanks, with advance payments scheduled to support early delivery stages. The first units are expected to arrive by 2028, aiming for a fully operational battalion by 2034. Concurrently, Lithuania is investigating local assembly options for Swedish CV-90 infantry fighting vehicles in partnership with Nordic and Baltic neighbors, further expanding its regional defense manufacturing footprint. In sum, Lithuania's decision to domestically assemble Leopard 2A8 tanks marks a pivotal stride in enhancing national defense readiness and establishing a durable defense industrial presence in Europe. The collaboration with KNDS and integration of local industry not only advance Lithuania's military strength but also contribute to the broader security and stability of NATO's eastern territories amid a complex geopolitical landscape.